Crystal Steel Fabricators Phils, Inc. Founded in 2004 and one of the largest steel detailing firms in the industry, in-house. It is composed of various departments that contribute to the company's overall mission and goals, such as Structural Steel Detailing Department. The main responsibility of the Structural Steel Detailing Department is to produce quality drawings and make sure that it complies with contract documents and help ensure project profitability. Its scope is usually, but not limited to, structural columns, beams, girders, braces, roof opening frames, hangers, anchor rods, etc. Miscellaneous Metals Detailing Department. The Miscellaneous Metals Detailing Department is composed of several teams who are in charge of working on miscellaneous items in the project. Their responsibility is to not only meet the deadline of the project but to produce a code-compliant miscellaneous set by AISC, OSHA, IBC, NFPA to name a few. Production Project Control Department. The Production Project Control, PPC, department's roles are vital to production. The basic function of the team is to act as the gate for the exchange of information from the U.S. shops, including subcontract parties, to the Manila office, and vice versa. The Production Project Control Department is responsible for submittals that supports the production operations of the Manila office. PPC performs checking of the machine files to assure quality. Other services include administering company checklists and forms, and graphic designing. Production Quality Control Department. The Production Quality Control Department is responsible for the quality checking of fabrication drawings and 3D model checking for all structural projects, in compliance with the CSF standards and U.S. shop requirements. Production Quality Control main goals is to produce and/or deliver an error-free drawings. Technology Department. The Technology Department is in charge of managing all the software being used for steel detailing, fabrication management, and machine operations. It's within the scope of the department to conduct research and development, R&D, provide technical solutions, 3D modeling, building information modeling, BIM, leadership in energy and environmental design, lead, documentation drafting technical memorandum. It is also responsible for writing clear work instructions, and developing procedures as well as managing the production department's submittals together with all the machine file requirements, which includes the tracking, monitoring, and reporting production status for both Manila and US-based offices. Purchasing Department. The Manila Purchasing Department is the group responsible for procuring materials for our various structural projects in the US. The group is in contact and coordinating with the various production support groups estimating, detailing, U.S. shops, U.S. project managers and U.S. accounting department in getting information regarding the requirement of each job. Estimating Structural and Miscellaneous Department. Preparing estimates for capital projects is a key part of a company's strategic asset planning. It is one of the core processes of total cost management. The goal of an estimate is to predict the probable cost of a project, and ensure that the proper estimating methods, procedures, techniques, data, scopes, materials specification and guidelines have been employed in the preparation of the estimate. Crystal Steel caters to both structural and miscellaneous steel estimates. Estimating Change Order Department. The Estimating Change Order Department's main role in the company is to track all possible change orders. Changes means added to or deleted from the original scope of work of a contract, for all projects of the company. The goal is to process all the change orders accurately and timely. Coordination with the other departments, estimating, purchasing, production and engineering, and even the U.S. office is still a must in order to deliver its goal. Estimating Tech Support Department. The function of the Estimating Tech Support is mainly to aid the estimating department with their requirements by catering to its software-related needs, documentation, record-keeping, monitoring, cost value assessment, fabrication assessment and database maintenance. Information and Communication Technology Department. The Information and Communication Technology Department is the overall in charge of the company's ICT operations, from planning to procurement of hardware and software to implementation. Also, ICT department is the system administrator, is responsible for managing all the computer systems as a whole, authorizing access and connectivity to applications, general configurations and upkeep as well as monitoring security. Human Resources Department. The human resources is a strategic business partner of the organization that is responsible for managing the human capital to optimize performance, growth, learning and development, and ensure alignment with business goals. The human resources also fosters a dynamic, agile and positive culture and work environment in collaboration with its committed, competent, and engaged human capital. Administrative Department. The Administrative Department is an independent department that supports the operation of the Manila office. It is in charge of processing immigration documents, facilitating any contract of lease, administering office supplies, providing workplaces for employees as well as service vehicles, and handling emergency preparedness. It also oversees the preservation of its office fixed assets. It is also regulated to maintain the cleanliness of the office. Occupational Health and Safety Department. Occupational Health and Safety Department is a multidisciplinary field department concerned with the safety, health to safeguard the workers' social and economic well-being as well as physical safety and health of the organization that supports the operation of the Manila office. It is responsible in dealing with prevention of work-related injuries and diseases as well as protection and promotion of the health of workers in the workplace and takes reasonable precaution to ensure that the office environment is safe, free of known hazards and health risks by developing protocols for responding to accidents and emergencies, health and otherwise, to minimize injuries and damage to property. Accounting Department. The Accounting Department is responsible for recording and reporting the cash flow transactions of the company. The department has some key roles and responsibilities, including accounts receivable, accounts payable, payroll, budgeting, tax and other government compliance, financial reporting and maintaining financial controls. The group is composed of a dedicated team of specialists who manage the finances and books of the company. Programming Department. The Programming Department is responsible for developing programs required for operations and admin, production, estimating, and any program that would help improve productivity. They are also responsible for handling software-related problems and development for both Manila and US-based offices with satisfaction and profitability being top priorities. They control all software programming from conceptualization to implementation maintenance, testing, and documenting all related information while maintaining professional and courteous relations with all parties involved. They are involved in working in a collaborative and an agile development environment with test-driven development, continuous integration, small release cycles, and self-organization. Quality System Department. The Quality System Department is an independent department that implements all relevant procedures described in the Quality Management System, QMS, and supports the operation of Manila office. Quality System Department is in charge in developing, implementing and managing key performance indicators, KPIs, for each area of responsibility. The main goal is to conduct risk assessments of processes and identify business improvement opportunities within the organization. Coordinates and works directly with the top management, directors and department managers for ISO-related tasks. Manages the audit program and handles the non-conformance reports, NCRs, for the entire company.